You know, say DJ Ital, I will come to sing some conscious song for the people. Because right now, everybody has to have life. You understand? Because I know dead somebody know the writer, so give me my rhythm. I know, say the flavor. When you have life, but what they be people are there, you know. What you know? My life. Love me, love my life. What you know, no? Me say me love my life. Love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Me just love my life. Love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Yeah, me never do know. Me never get up every day and just burn ganja. Me never sit down like a fool pan a street corner. Me not stay upon dry land, me a search for water. Jaja give me the strength so me work harder, yeah. Remember upon the ends me used to burn coal for ya. Me do me own thing, no boss boy can't fire. True to the bone, me never call you liar. Jaja give me the strength, I thought. My life, love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Me just love my life. Me know you love your life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. All of the people them. Me love me life in a night. Me love it in a day. Every day me get up, me kneel and pray. Me give thanks for life. Jaja guide the way. For the children, me say me want a better day. Love innocent. Ital representing.
Hey! Hey, be I telling the bad fall for wake up the show. What is the artist name again?
You know, sir, DJ Ital representing.
Boy, be I tell him festive body now. He ready for the show now. New contestant, right? Alright. So we just move into our judges right now. See there? Be I tell you. Alright, Nero, what you think about the artist performance? Trust me, the band say this another night. He might wake up the place. Nero.
So as a first timer, we would like to welcome you to the talent show. The 100% talent Jamaica. But right here, we see the panel here. The panel here named No Laughing Panel, alright? But I'm going to give you the forward for that one because you utilize the stage even though it's a small platform, you utilize it, you engage the judges and stuff. Basically engage the audience then, right? So I will be seeing you more after this.
Alright, man, active, ready for the show. 100% talent Jamaica. Alright, big up yourself, boss.